You know, I often wonder like how companies can make headphones this good and price them this low. I'll never understand it, and yet there's headphones out there that cost way more than this that don't even come close to the overall quality of these headphones. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Today we have some of the best sounding headphones and most versatile headphones I've ever laid my eyes on. These are the Philips SHP9600s. These are the upgraded version from the originals, the 9500s. And I'm gonna tell you why in this video you should go out and get these headphones, not only for listening to music, but also use them as a gaming headset. As you can see here, I have a microphone attached. Let's hop right into it. First thing we need to talk about these headphones are the 50mm drivers. The ear cups on these are absolutely enormous. They're 50mm in size, and they fit the shape of the human ear almost perfectly so that it's perfectly comfortable when you're actually wearing these headphones. Super soft cushion on both the left and right ear cup. I have no issues with that. Nice cloth interior here. This is where the headphone actually touches your ear. Okay, we're back. So as I was saying, 50mm drivers on these headphones. Ear cups are great and they perfectly fit around your ears. Very ergonomic style to these headphones. As you can see on the outside here, there's a nice bronze ring. Gives it a nice, I don't know, clean look overall. Matches the black. So good contrast there. Let's talk about the headband. This is a very thick headband, and as you can see, it says Philips on the top right here. Nice thick cushioning on the top. This headset is mostly made of plastic. I think the only metal parts are the actual extenders. The great thing about these, I don't know if my camera can pick it up, but it's labeled, so, and like down to like accurate measurements. So there's little dashed lines with, goes from 0 all the way to 6, just so you can have precise measurements when adjusting the size of the headband. A right and a left indicator right here on them. Now you're probably wondering why I have this cable attached to it with this microphone, considering when you actually buy these headphones. I did an unboxing of these already, but the cable that comes with it is just a standard 3.5 cable. There is no microphone. This is a separate cable, which I'll be probably doing a whole video on this itself. This is phenomenal because it connects to any headset you want. This is the V-Moda Boom Pro microphone. It has an inline mic. I'm not going to go too much in detail, but it basically transforms this into an amazing gaming headset with amazing audio quality. So overall ergonomics of this, phenomenal. Does not feel overly cheap. Whoops. Does not feel overly cheap at all, especially with the extra cushioning on the headband and the ear cups. And all we have at the bottom is a 3.5 female to actually connect the cable to listen to audio. Okay, so I guess we can just list some specifications of this for all the tech nerds out there. So it has an open acoustic system. These are open back headphones, as in audio can bleed through the side of these. So if you are jamming out and blasting music, the people around you will probably be able to hear your music. So it has a 200 milliwatt maximum power input, 101 decibel sensitivity, and 12 to 35,000 hertz frequency response. Those are just the specs that Amazon lists, so I thought I'd list them in this video. It also, so the cable it comes with, the one I didn't, that's different, but the one that actually comes with the box is gold plated, a 3.5 connection, and it's also detachable. So the great thing about being a detachable cable is if it actually breaks, you don't have to go out and get a new headset. You can just buy a new cable and they're wicked cheap. And in addition to that, you also get a 1/4-inch 3.5 adapter to basically plug into a amplifier, similar to like if you were to plug a guitar into like a giant amp. You can do that with this headset, which is awesome. If you want to get like a boosted sound, you can plug it into a amp or a DAC. It's up to you. So very versatile, and these are obviously targeting like studio people who want like high-end headphones. So take that as you will. These have been ranked as some of the best headphones for the price. There's some website out there that ranks headphones, and these are considered like almost god tier because of the overall audio quality and the durability and the comfort of these. Basically, these don't come with a microphone, and because of that, it's lacking a main feature. There's no built-in mic, so you can't communicate with these. So what people did was, they combined the V-Moda Boom Pro microphone with this amazing sounding headset to create the ultimate gaming pair of headphones, the ultimate gaming headset. If you notice, if you go out on Amazon and you check out some of the gaming headsets they have, there's always going to be some features lacking that make it not a great pair of headphones. It might be great for listening to loud explosion noises in a video game you're playing, because it usually has like cranked up boost, but it's not always the greatest for listening to music on your smartphone or your computer. So that's why people decided to pair this with the V-Moda Boom Pro mic to give it that nice sounding audio and great audio quality for listening to or for gaming. So you can communicate with the mic over Discord or game chat, and also combine that with the great sounding audio coming from these 50mm drivers to create the ultimate gaming package headset that has really no downsides to it. And the thing is, this doesn't look like a gaming headset, so if you're worried about being flashy, you don't have to worry about that with these. You take these on the go. Sadly, there was no case with the box, but honestly, people don't put headphones in cases anymore. That's kind of passé. So overall, what you're left with is a great pair of headphones. Right now, these are priced at $70 on Amazon. They're normally like $99.99, but there's always discounts running. I'll leave a link to these down in the description for you guys to go check them out, because I think these are some of the greatest headphones I've ever listened to, and it's insane how you can listen to these for both music and use them as a gaming headset on PC or even consoles, up to you. So guys, that's going to be it for this quick review of the Philips SHP9600 headphones. These are phenomenal and I highly recommend them. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's shoot for 20 likes on this video. So if you made it this far, please leave a like on this video. And if you're new to the channel, by all means hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification button so you guys get notified exactly when I upload on this channel. I appreciate all the feedback and the recent support on my videos, and I will see you guys in the next video from Scott Tyler on the channel. Peace out, everyone.